Ow. Your turn. Ow. Your turn. Let's have a look at our picture. There is a huge brown cow. Brown cow. Your turn. Brown cow. Your turn. Let's have a look at the sound that's hiding behind our picture. Ow. It is 2 letters and 1 sound. Your turn. Ow. Your turn. When you see this side, I want you to say ow. And when you see this side, I want you to say brown cow. Let's have a go. Well done. Let's practice our sounds. Super. Let's read some words with our new sound. Special friends. Fred talk. Well done. Ow, how. Special friends. Fred talk. Well done. Town. Special friends. Fred talk. Super. Brown. Special friends. Fred talk. Well done. Crowd. Crowd. Let's see if you can read these words in your head. I shouldn't hear you sounding anything out until you know the whole word. Well done. The word is inhale. This is when we take a deep breath in. Bread in your head. Well done. The word is voice. Super. The word is treats. Let's have a go at our green words. As a challenge, I'd like you to time yourself reading all of these words. How fast can you read them? Can you then try and beat your time tomorrow? Finally, let's have a go at our alien words. Remember to use the sounds that you have learned in phonics.